like the girls with their nails done now.
Hey everyone, today we're going to be making banana bread. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. For this recipe, you're going to need 1.5 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 3 ripe bananas, 2/3 cups of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of melted butter, and 2 half cups of walnuts. You're going to want to combine the dry ingredients first, so that will be the flour, cinnamon, baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. You're going to want to melt the butter either in a pan or in the microwave. I did it in the microwave. I did 2 30-second intervals and that was perfectly melted. Then you want to add the sugar to it. Then add some vanilla. And then add the egg and mix that up. I would add the 1/3 cup of carbonated water at this point. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. The bake time should be around 45 minutes to an hour. And that's it. That's my take on banana bread. I'm going to be making other videos as well on coffee, so stay tuned.